That's a really good question. Roll the intro. How's it going, folks? So if you're new to the channel, thank you. I really hope you enjoy it. The number one question that I always get asked in real estate is, how do I buy a house? Today, we're going to talk about that. Now, I know that there's several loans and ways to purchase a property, but today I'm going to keep it simple. This video is going to be meant for the person who's maybe a first-time home buyer or even a second-time home buyer that wants to purchase a property to live in. So if you're looking for an investment strategy video, I can always make that on a different time. For this particular video, we're going to stick with the basics. So the first step is get pre-qualified. Go to your local lender, bank, credit union, whatever the case may be, and begin the process. A lender will typically ask for your credit report, 1 to 2 years of taxes, your bank statements, and your pay stubs. Generally, there are two types of loans, the conventional loan and the FHA loan. The FHA loan, or the Federal Housing Administration loan, is known as government-insured loan, and the advantages to that is that there's a very low down payment of 3.5%. Now, because of this, you do have to pay a PMI, which is a private mortgage insurance, in the event of a default. With an FHA loan, you can have a credit score as low as 600, but obviously you want the highest credit score possible to make obtaining the loan easier. For conventional loan, it's not a government-insured loan. Typically, you'd have to put 10 to 15% down, and depending on the bank or the private entity that is giving you the loan, your credit score also can start at roughly around the 610. There are some banks that do loan conventional loans as low as 5% to talk to your local lender to see what options they have for you. Now that you've been pre-qualified, you know how much you can afford and how much your monthly payment will be. You're now ready for step number 2, which is look for the house. Typically, I tell my clients, what do you absolutely need and what would be good to have? And you break that down from there. Do you need a 2-bedroom house? Do you need a 3-bedroom house? Are you okay with a 1-bedroom house? That's fine too. There is no wrong answer. It just has to suit your needs and know that this is going to be a long-term investment. Next question that I get a lot is, Alex, when's the best time to buy a house? And there's really no right answer. The truth is, during the summer, there's more inventory, but there's also more competition because there's more buyers on the market. In the winter, there's less inventory, but less buyers on the market, so you can typically get a pretty good deal on those days. Once again, I'm keeping it general. So now you found the perfect home. Since you were previously pre-qualified, now it's easy for you to quickly submit an offer because timing is key. Normally, the first few offers are the ones that the listing agent shows to the seller immediately. And which brings us to escrow. Once you're in escrow, typically the bank is going to look at all of your bank statements one more time. They're going to monitor your banking. They're going to make sure that you can actually afford this house. You're typically going to have several inspections and appraisals. The escrows for an FHA and a conventional loan tend to last anywhere between 30 to 45 days. That should give you a pretty good timeline of how long this process of escrow should take. Now you have your house. I get to give you the key, and congratulations, you now own your new home. If you want to contact me, there's links in the description down below. You can also follow me on Instagram at alex__. I try to get back to everybody as quickly as possible. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Please do so. I don't want to get fired. And yeah, catch you guys next time.